The growing shortage of skilled labor is an increasing issue for most manufacturing companies. Introducing the BotX-Welder, a simple-to-use automated welding system developed by Airgas, Air Liquide, Robotic, and Hirebotics. The BotX-Welder will help manufacturers bridge the labor gap by acting as a force multiplier for their existing workforce. The BotX-Welder provides customers with a number of unique advantages. The ability to hire the BotX-Welder by the productive hour allows customers to overcome their labor challenges with zero capital investment, while allowing them to scale up or down the size of their workforce to align with their current business needs. Customers are only paying for the system when it is adding value to their business and can terminate the use of the BotX-Welder when it is no longer needed. The cloud-connected software controls the BotX-Welder and includes a library of welding procedures developed by Airgas and Air Liquide. New procedures and software enhancements are automatically uploaded to all user systems. With cloud connectivity, you also get 24/7 virtual support. The intuitive smartphone app makes it the easiest to use robotic welding system on the market, and new users can be trained in a matter of hours instead of days. The combined geographic coverage and welding expertise of Airgas, Air Liquide, and Robotic enables us to provide customers with industry-leading support. The BotX-Welder makes it easy for companies to hire the skilled labor they need to keep up with the demands of their business. Robotic Automation Specialists will work with each customer on their specific applications. Those same specialists, in conjunction with more than 1,000 Airgas and Air Liquide account managers located throughout the US and Canada, will install systems and instruct customers on how to teach the BotX, as well as provide ongoing support as needed. Installations typically only take a couple of hours, and new customers can become proficient with the BotX welding system within a few days. The BotX software includes a library of procedures developed by Airgas and Air Liquide that controls all welding parameters, including the voltage, wire feed speed, and the travel speed and torch angle, making it a fully synergic system. This enables customers that have little to no experience with automated welding to consistently produce high-quality welds with just a few hours of training. The library of welding procedures for the BotX-Welder has been optimized to work best with the ARCAL line of shielding gases developed by Airgas and Air Liquide. ARCAL's precise gas fixtures, along with the consistent pressure delivered by the integrated smart top, result in higher quality welds. The BotX-Welder provides welding operators with an easy-to-install, easy-to-teach alternative to sourcing, hiring, and training additional welders for their workforce, all on an as-needed basis.